Risks of surgical mesh in hernia repair surgery. One of the most deceiving causes of personal injuries might be the surgical mesh used in a hernia repair surgery. Although this is often touted as a minimally invasive and quick procedure, the personal injury attorneys at Berg Injury Lawyers know that surgical mesh can quickly become a nightmare and result in life-changing or even life-threatening complications for a patient. This is particularly true when a patient suffers a preventable infection, has an allergic reaction, or suffers catastrophic organ damage due to the surgical procedure or the surgical mesh itself. Despite the severity of the injuries due to defective surgical mesh or a negligent surgeon to place it, many medical providers and surgical mesh manufacturers will often not accept responsibility for these serious and sometimes fatal complications caused by surgical mesh. Rather, many surgeons will claim that the injuries were a natural consequence or inherent risk of a surgical mesh surgery. Sometimes even a patient will be blamed, including for not following wound care or activity restrictions until the healing process is complete. However, most of these allegations are without merit and are used to avoid liability. Fortunately, there are some ways for victims and their families to fight back. First, several different types of mesh products used to repair hernias have been linked to a higher failure rate. Some of these include Atrium C-Cure, Bard Ventrilex ST, Ethicon Physiomech. Second, any patient who has had a surgical mesh implanted during any type of procedure, especially a hernia repair, can obtain a free case evaluation from an experienced legal team and law firm. This is the most important step to take in protecting your rights under the law, especially if you're not sure what type of surgical mesh was used in your hernia repair. To learn more about how our experienced personal injury attorneys in Northern California at Berg Injury Lawyers can help you, contact us today by dialing 866-928-4640 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at berginjurylawyers.com.